how, like for example, your starting time is at 9 a.m. You want to see every day the staff, how many minutes they are late for, all those stuff there. The event logs in. Let me delete this away again. The key thing, like as mentioned, the two key functions of ACTAtek TA. First is the report. Secondly is adding of stuff using logic print, which means that you can add fingerprint remotely on the desktop and then just port it over. Okay. So once you get all the event logs in, you can do reporting. There's roll call report, event report. The key thing, let me show you the key reports that customer usually will want, because some of them are just very miscellaneous report. The key report are that key report is late report and overtime report. Late report, for example, your start time is at 9 a.m. Allowances of maybe 5 minutes. So you choose terminal you want. What's this? Let me see this here. AC2. So for today, Sunday, something like that. Okay. It might seem like it's nonsense. Why is there no time date on here? Because there's no in, there's no out. It's all garbage data. So in a real life situation, right, it will show, like for example down here this column time date. If it's 30 minutes or something like that, this is what usually for people who do time attendance we will need this for. Time early the person came in for, what time they left late for work. Then we combine the total overtime hours down here. And this one again you can export it out. Same thing. CSV file or Excel, or there's no text for this one. Some customers they will use it and then they only want the total overtime timing, and then again they will use it for the payroll system to generate what's the overtime pay. These are the key reporting purposes.
But I can get the same data from the database itself, no?
Yes, but you have to multiply it. You have to multiply it. Yeah, that's the key thing. This one actually is the same thing. This program, right, is only they are getting raw data from the unit only. After that they are manipulating.
But once they get the data directly onto the database, then it is easier for any kind of application or anything.
Yeah, you use like I don't use SQL, some query statement will do already. Yeah, I mean this kind of thing are pretty standard because this, like just now I'm saying SOAP API. This program is actually written using SOAP API. It's the same thing. Yeah. If you need the SOAP API, just inform us. We just provide you the link, and we do have developers in Singapore. Then I mean programmers, they always have common language. They say yeah. Never mind. Okay. So I'll show this how you add fingerprint document and then port it over to here and how it works. Okay. Same thing, add new users. So for example, let me try 3, 2, 1. Last name. But the key thing is that, like what I mentioned just now, is that for web interface you can't add fingerprint because this one doesn't work with the web interface. This one has to work with the TA program.
Okay.
That's why. This is where I wrote my fingerprint. Let me set as 3 will do. I click on enroll. You say put finger into device, please. Apply. Okay. I remove. Put finger again. Okay. Second time. Okay. Ask me to remove. Okay. Last time. And I remove. Okay. Now it's successful. Quality is 7. Okay. I think I don't really understand what the quality is. So long as it's above 5, it seems good enough. So right now I close this. I'm going to user. Okay. That's the user session filter.
So whatever terminals are connected, those will be updated automatically.
Yes. So my right. Yes. Because as I'm using my right finger, I'm using my left finger. I show again. Welcome to Steam. This is how it works for port over. The accuracy is very good.
রিমোটলি আমরা যদি নিয়ে আসতে চাই রেজিস্ট্রেশনটা, আমার ওই এমপ্লয়িকে আমি সব ব্রাঞ্চে অ্যাক্সেস দিতে যাচ্ছি, তাহলে হয়তো ল্যাপটপ দিয়ে পাঠিয়ে দিলাম, হয়তো একটা জাস্ট রেজিস্ট্রেশনটা করে নিয়ে আসবো।
These are the 3 main software You're saying you have some
Can
sort of...
it be say suppose take just theoretically say suppose our organization has 10 different offices and they have installed 10 different devices. Now I want to register all these users remotely from one single place, just like this way. But I want to give you access to 5 places and don't want to give you access to another 5.
Okay, what you can do is I'm saying using ACTAtek sync. You have, for example, you have user 1, you only have, let them have only access to 5 places. You only sync them to those 5 places. The other 5 places you don't sync to.
Okay.
That's one way of doing it.
Okay.
The other way of doing it is more tedious. What I'm saying more tedious. You can actually sync every user across. Then you change the access group. You don't allow them access. Just deny access at all timing.
Okay, then in that case I have to set up groups and group
yes,
members, lot of policies.
Yes, in that case you have to, there's more manual work in it.
Yeah.
It's more difficult. I would recommend the syncing part will be easier. Since it's not inside the database, definitely it's not going to go in. Yeah, that's the issue. You say you have some other software or...
Okay, come on to the database.
Yes.
And from the database where whatever application I want to put on, those applications can be saved there.
Yes. The SDK, and we do provide some demo programs as well. We can just give you the link and you can see that all the menus, SDK, all those have demo program, all are inside. So depending on whether you all want to use it or you want to use our software. So
most of the cases, what happens is, all these organizations has their payroll already established and things like that.
yes.
So after that, they just ask that integrate your software with our payroll.
Yes. Because usually what they want, like what I said, they only want the raw data. So long as the raw data is in the format that they want, then they're happy with it. Yeah, that's what ACTAtek agent can do. Or if y'all feel that y'all have any other functionality that y'all want, y'all can also use, like what I said, using SDK to write your own, but it will be more tedious a bit because you get a developer to write it yourself. Yeah, that's the key thing. Because like what I say, the major database we usually support Oracle, SQL.
Most important is
MySQL.
whether it supports MySQL or
Yes.
not. Because nowadays, people are developing all their software onto open source.
Yes.
So supporting MySQL is very, very important.
Most of them are pretty standard. MDB, MySQL, CSV, SQL Server, Oracle.